This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building a rigid core that will hold electrical elements safely. Cut a 30 cm PVC tube and file the edges so there are no sharp burrs. This prevents wire chafing. Next, bend a copper rod to run along the tube interior. This acts as your stun-look conductor, but carries only low voltage for safety. Once done, strip insulation from chosen wires and mount an LED strobe module near the tube end. Make sure to work with clamps to hold parts steady. You now create the visual effects and secure the electronics. Solder the LED strobe, momentary switch, resistor, and battery clip into a simple low-voltage circuit. This ensures quick, safe flashes. Once soldered, test the pulses on a bench. If brightness is low, adjust resistor value slightly. Then wrap the copper rod with insulated fine-gauge wire and anchor it inside the tube so it glows under strobes like a corona. Make sure to avoid exposed live connections, and you finish by sealing and testing the prop for reliability and safety. Fill openings with foam and hot glue to lock components, then sand and prime the exterior before metallic gold and electric blue paint. This gives a Thunderbolt look. Install the battery and switch into the handle compartment, then run a 3-stage test. 1. Continuity check. 2. Activation short bursts. 3. Sustained 2 3-minute run. If you notice erratic flicker, inspect solder joints and battery contacts first. Replace the battery before deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.